How to restart phone without power button. In today's video, we're going to show you how to restart your iPhone without using the power button, whether your power button is not working or you just prefer a different method. I've got you covered, so let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about the assistive touch feature. This is an accessibility option that allows you to control your iPhone without using the physical buttons. Here's how to turn it on. Open settings, scroll down and simply find tap accessibility. Under touch, you can find an option that says assistive touch. Simply turn it on. Once enabled, you'll see an on-screen button. Now to restart your phone, simply tap the assistive touch button, then simply go to device. From there, simply tap on lock screen. After a few seconds, the slide to power off will appear, and swipe to turn off the phone and then turn it back on. You can also tap on three dots to do other thing like restart and various other things. As you can see, are you sure you want to restart your iPhone? Simply tap on restart and your phone will be restarted. And that's it. That's how you can simply use and do restart your iPhone without using the power button. Alternatively, you can restart using Siri as well. For iPhone 13 or later, you can just use Siri to restart your phone by asking it to restart my iPhone, and Siri will guide you to the power off screen. And that's it. You can now easily restart your iPhone without using the power button.